most people think that design is simply about making things look pretty. And I think that's true, but not if you take it at its face value. I believe that design is really about making the lives of people more beautiful. Be it by providing a solution to their needs, helping them do something more easily, or empowering them to tackle challenges. And this is my passion. I love to design things that will bring a smile to someone's face. When I was young, my father used to manage our finances by cutting down on cost of things which he labeled as useless, like my mobile phone recharges, and spending more on quality products. By telling us to always bargain, bargain, and bargain, he made sure that he saved and invested enough for our future. Now, some may say that it's math or the Banya factor, but I'd like to argue that my father carefully designed where and how we spent our resources. His efficient design of a comfortable future inspired me to investigate the role of design in making life better. When I interacted with visually impaired people for the first time at the DIY workshop by MIT, I asked myself this question: how can I make their lives more beautiful? Fittle is an attempt to do just that. It's a playful educational puzzle for visually impaired children based on the concept of learning while doing. Let me explain how it works with an example. This puzzle of a fish has 4 blocks which have the braille letters F-I-S-H embossed in them. Now, each block has a connector designed in such a way that it can only fit its right match. A kid basically feels around the connectors, puts the blocks together, and then, once the puzzle is complete, he can read the braille and know the spelling of the word fish, and then also feel around the entire object to know what a fish actually looks like. Just imagine, this little girl, she gets onto a plane, but she cannot see it. Now, she might never be able to know what a plane actually looks like. But Fittle gives her the power to visualize what she's getting onto. That is the magic of Fittle. It can radically change the way visually impaired people see the world today. We're currently working on the first curriculum of Fittle, which has 26 puzzles for each letter of the English alphabet. Since the beginning of the project, we were sure that we wanted anyone, anywhere, to be just able to download these models and 3D print them for their kids or for their children. To make this possible, we kept the project open source. Dr. Vipin is actively pestering kids at the L.V. Prasad Eye Institute to test out the new models that we come up with. Devanshu is huffing and puffing every day in his secret laboratory to know how to add sound to these interactive models. Just imagine the joy of a kid who puts together this train fiddle and can also hear the sound that it makes. Just like my father designed my life, I believe that I can touch the lives of millions of blind children through Fittle. And this is just one of the many examples of the power of design. Its true potential lies in its everyday challenges, where it can transcend its role as a decorative agent and rather become a catalyst for social change. I believe that each one of us is a designer in our own right, and that each one of us has the power to change the world, one smile at a time. Thank you.